908, that's the perimeter. On the east side, I'm the calm storm. Guess I'm something like a limiter. Yeah, I'm something like a limiter. She too much, I gotta limit her. While me and bro in the back, yeah, sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. Sipping goose, no Canada. I'm the truth, let me show the proof. Looking super clean, no janitor. Super clean, no.
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews. I want to shout out all my alpha generals, generalettes, alpha male and alpha females in the building. You heard. Now what I got here for y'all today is the first time review from me by 6 Ice. You know what I mean? I know you heard of them. Their name's been ringing bells. But I got a Jesus piece here for y'all today. You know what I mean? So comment, like, subscribe, promote if you can. Now let's get right to it. Now what I got here for y'all today is another piece. Well, actually this would be my first piece reviewing for you guys. But I got like another piece from them before, just haven't reviewed it yet. But this would be my first presentation on the company 6 Ice. It's a Jesus piece, pretty big. I hope y'all like it. So let's get right to it. Got a nice wrapping to it with the logo. Nice presentation, I might add. This is their box, 6 Ice. They got a pull tab to pull out the product. Decent box, decent presentation, can't be mad at it. So let's see what they got here for us today. Or, presented for us today. Comes in a box. Hold on. The struggles, Stevie D, the struggles. Black rubber gloves on, cooperating today. So, what you got here is an authenticity card. You feel me? To let you know that it's authentically from them. And with this card, you can turn in your stuff to get cleaned and or fixed or possibly replaced. You heard. Let's put that down 2 seconds. Let's put this aside 2 seconds. Oh, wow. This is different. There's no zipper. You see their logo on the pouch, on the carrying pouch. White, different, white and gold. I like it. Now, with these kind of pouches, I believe I've seen it before. You squeeze it, or you try to squeeze it. Yeah, there you go. Squeeze it to the side, and it opens up like that. Now, many of you might not like that or care about that. For me, you already know, I'm a big fan of different, and that right there is really different. I'm having struggles right now with the black rubber gloves, but who cares? You know what I mean? We just want to see the piece, Stevie D. Now, comes in this plastic. Y'all know how I feel about plastic, but please, let's not mention it. This is the piece right here, and it's not bad. What I see off top is they sealed the back, and I give them respect for that because a lot of companies leave a hollow back, which is not a sin or a bad thing for most. But me personally, I like when the back is closed off. You heard. This 18 karat gold plating. Matter of fact, we'll be right back. You already know how I feel about this plastic, so give me 2. Okay, so we back. Look at this thing. This thing is beautiful. So I know what y'all want to know. Hey, yo, Stevie D, how much is that thing right there? That thing looking kind of crazy. This thing, oh, you see their logo right here in the back of the bell. This thing right here, original price goes for $213, but I got it on sale for $89, and I believe it's still on sale for $89. You know what I mean? So you better rush over for they run out, you know what I mean? And go get yourself a Jesus piece. Now, I got one more Jesus piece on the way from another different company. And y'all saw my other video that I presented a different kind of Jesus piece. I will be comparing them in size, you know what I mean? And diamond testing them and seeing what you guys' opinions are about them. But this right here is a Jesus piece by 6 Ice. Going for $89 if you rush over to them right now. And if you can't afford anything from them right away, they also use that Sezzle app, in which way you can break up your payments into 4 different payments after the initial payment that you pay off your product goes. You heard. Now, they don't really list, you know what I mean? I know they got 925 silver on their site, but this isn't it. I can imagine this is either brass or stainless steel, and I don't want to put, no false advertisement out there. It's kind of a little bit heavy, you know what I mean? Not too crazy, but got a little weight to it, no lie. You know what I mean? You see the CZs on the CZ stones on the bell, you know what I mean? You see the CZ stones on the crown, even a little on the eyes, you know what I mean? It's not a bad piece at all. Tell me what y'all think of this thing. And for y'all diamond connoisseurs and all you guys who like to criticize, or for those who just got that bag, you know what I mean? No, I didn't see a real diamond option, you know what I mean? But Stevie D, if those CZs and diamonds ain't real, G's, why you promoting them? Like I said, like I always say, if you got that bag, go ahead and spend it. But in my gang over here, my alpha male, alpha females, alpha males, alpha generals, and generalettes, you know what I mean? What do we say? 1, 2, 3. Who cares? You know what I mean? If you got that bag, go ahead and spend it. But for us over here who ain't got that bag, we buy what we can afford and what we like. You know what I mean? $89 at the moment, $213 original price. Use the Sezzle app if you ain't got that bag right away. This thing is kind of crazy. I like it. You know what I mean? So tell me what y'all think in the comments. Comment, like, subscribe to your boy. You know what I mean? Support the page and tell me what you think about this Jesus piece. This presentation by 6 Ice. Not bad at all. I'm not mad at this purchase at all. You know what I mean? I'll probably rock it for a while. And then this probably will be a part of a future giveaway. You heard! And I see the piece. I like it. Closed off back. Nice little piece. Look at it one more time. 1, 2, 3. I'm out.